Oh, this is good content.
What?
You always need a mental breakdown. This might be the
I
thing.
know, I'm watching the deer.
Yeah. But this might be the thing that puts your channel over the edge.
Lucy's, I'm not using my cat's kidney failure as clickbait. That's gross.
What are you going to title it?
My cat has kidney failure. It's not effing funny. This is how I deal with my trauma, working through. That's what I learned in my social work class. This is how you do it. You talk about it, and this is how I'm talking about it. So, folks, I'm going to do this with humor. Otherwise, the alternative would not be exactly flattering, nor a good representation of my character. So, William Jellybean, he woke up today and he like, sis, what? Can you explain? I'm feeding well. Okay. Basically in the version of a not bright person like myself, we took him to the vet. When I say we, I mean sis, because I don't like dealing with confrontation. I choose to deny. And Jellybean has kidney failure because he always throws up, like he can't eat, and then he has low potassium, so he can't really move his neck. But you know, we got him some meds, and I asked if I could donate my kidney, but apparently that's just not something they can do. Sis, why isn't a human and a feline kidney compatible? You could search it. I might be ignorant. I don't know. You know, why not try? But, anywho, so, what?
I can tell you why.
Why?
It's because, first of all, you're not a kid. You have adult needs now.
Lucius, that's not funny.
Do you have Bumble?
Oh my gosh. So, this is Jellybean. Hey,
Our
Jellybean.
family Vengeance dance.
As you can see, he's walking a little funny.
You know it?
And William has a binge eating disorder because he'll get so hungry and then
Maybe I'm
eat a ton and then he'll throw it up.
Ready.
So he's hungry. Hey, William. Updates to come on William. Hey, sis. What's William's treatment plan?
Well, we're gonna feed him that little bit of food.
We're doing a little bit of food at a time, so he can keep it down because he's on meds. Is he on meds, sis?
Jellybean. Jellybean.
Oh, sis, he doesn't want to be with you.
Jellybean always wants to be with me.
Sis, would that explain his dandruff problem?
When your kidneys start to go, everything goes a little. Come on, let's learn it.
I need to edit the video. I'll be happy to.
William.
Huh?
Oh.
There's Jellybean.
I will. He's crying.
Father, he's like your friend Steve. He needs a kidney too. So that transition just shows how I went from bawling to making it clap. Ish. I can't make it clap. So Lucy's is turning into a SoundCloud rapper. We don't condone violence. I don't know.
Like in music
Mom
videos?
has never let me Mom never let us play
like
video
music
games with
videos.
guns. Nothing. So I'm at Lucy's house right now. I'm helping him film a video. When is this vid gonna drop?
Probably Saturday. It'll be an easy one to edit.
Oh.
Well, actually, I have the alumni game on Saturday.
Are you going to that?
Of course.
My ex will be at that.
Should I text him and ask him if he's coming?
I mean, if you want. Anywho, I'm filming a video with Lucius. I definitely will post this vlog before he does, though. Maybe. We'll see.
Because I just caught you bawling, vlogging and bawling.
This is how I deal with my trauma. Out the new kicks today. These are the Air Force Sage high tops. I don't know. Mom got them for me. Thank you, Mother. And then just with the pink socks. It's just like not a look, but we roll with it. So we are on the way to game night. Woo! Hi, thanks. We are on the way to game night at our cousin's. Lucius and Sis drove with Aunt Jo because she was over at a house today. But yeah. Yes? What?
I didn't say a thing. I'm wrong even when I'm silent.
Exactly. This is Eden. Eden, say hi. Hi. Are you looking at yourself? Did you just toot on me? How rude! Yeah! Yeah!
Oh, bro.
Next! Life update. I'm back in my pajamas once again.
I haven't been able to stop crying.
She's
I
been
don't know
crying
what's come over me.
all night. And
I'm doing well.
Lucius's ex-girlfriend just got married today, so we were just
doing well.
Gorgeous dress.
just sent the photos. They look great, really happy,
Pretty dress.
living their best life. And Lucius is, you know, with us. Now we're probably gonna binge eat and watch an entire season of Netflix. So.
I called her back and left a message, and then she called me.
Good morning, people. Father almost got electrocuted already. Happy Saturday! Once again, good morning, folks. It is actually an ice rink out there. The roads are very dangerous. It's black ice, so it looks like I'll be at home all day. Twist my finger. Don't have to socialize. Cheers to that. I am a blessed individual. Okay, we have William, day 2. William just got back from the vet again. He got a shot for dehydration. Potassium. I don't know. But yeah, can we just feed him a bunch of bananas? And quite cuddly. So Jelly Bean is chugging along. Taking it easy. Updates to come. That is so cute. How come his tail wags?
He's a little bit annoyed.
Really? I thought tail wagging was good.
For dogs.
It's not good for cats? Really? This is actually really cool. So, since I don't have a parking spot in the garage, for Christmas, I got this windshield cover so I don't have to scrape. So, we'll see if it works. I just booked my flight. Let's see!
Wow, was that excitement in my voice?
I mean, the day! Yes! We have a William update. William is doing so much better. He's up and about and he's moving his head around. So we've just been taking extra special care, giving him lots of fluids, and he's going into the vet tomorrow again just for a checkup. But that's your daily William update. It was a very pleasant thing to wake up to. He jumped on my face. It was